Hello everyone, let's tackle this task. Uh, Once to do this, we need to draw in the front view these endpoints, two endpoints. Then we're going to give it a principal to give it a thickness of 10. Then lastly, this particular inner point, we're going to draw it in the plan view, give it a principal of 10 as well. Then afterwards, combine every independent entity together. I have my AutoCAD turned on. So the first task, obviously, coming to change your workspace to 3D modeling. Then afterwards, you can come to your home tab by pressing this particular button. Then from here, you can start modeling from the front view. And remember, in each time you change this particular front view, you're supposed to come to the coordinates and change the coordinates to view, so that you have your y and x aligned as such. I'll zoom out a little bit, then I'll come and draw this particular side. So you can see it has a side 50 and 70 and a curve in between. So I'll leave that pattern because it will be catered for by this lower independent block. So I'm going to draw from this particular point upwards. So I'm going to draw from that point upwards. So my total distance upwards will be 40, my length will be 70, then my circle radius 25. So I come to draw a rectangle. So a rectangle length of 70, tab, height of 40, enter. Afterwards, come pick my center radius, then from the top have center radius 25. Afterwards, count, do the trimming of that part and that part so that you have that. Go back to your home, search, then I'm going to do a press pull, that bounded area, press pull of 10. Then afterwards, I'm going to copy that block from that point to some other point, let's say even there, so that I have two. Then afterwards, make sure I change this to world, the UCS to world by pressing this. Then afterwards, I come now to top. After coming to top, make sure I change my coordinates to view. And then while I'm there, I can now draw my base of length 110 and a width of 70. So I can draw my length of 110, tab, width 70, then enter. Then I'll draw a circle from the geometric center of my rectangle, give it a radius of 20, it's indicated as such. So finally, I'll go back to home. I'll give this a press pull of 10. So I'll come to press pull, come to the bounded area, give it a press pull of 10 as such. So I'll rotate this. So I'll come to rotate, select the object and rotate it from the center, give it a 90-degree rotation. I'll delete that 2D point. Then what I need to do next is to carry this. So I come to move, carry it from the one corner, place it to the top corner, same to the other one. So I come to move, carry this from one corner, come and place it at the top corner as such. So if we change this view, let's say to hidden, you can see it resembles the one that is in the question. So what you need to do next is to come to solid union, select everything and press enter so that all of it joins into one complete block. So that is the main part of that question. The extra bit will be dimension, which you simply come to the annotate tab, pick on the dimension you wish to put your dimension. Let's say, for the example, the diameter. Click on that circle, and then place the diameter. As you can see, the diameter is 40. If you wish to dimension this length, remember, you come to home and then change the coordinates to that face as such, and accept. Then afterwards, you can come now to annotate, pick a linear dimension, then you can annotate the endpoint and the endpoint as such. So that is how we do it. That's how we annotate. If you wish to annotate the height, again, you just come to linear, pick the endpoint and the endpoint. So make sure your object snaps, which is your stand on when you're doing the dimension to get the accurate endpoint. So that is how we do it. That's what the question wanted. So you could try it out. You can finish out with the dimensions as well. Thank you for watching. Let's meet in the next tutorial.